guys, welcome back to OhioSys. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. As you can see, the box is relatively small, but it isn't one of Samsung's best tablet out there in the market. However, it still does pack a punch for its size. Funny story about this, I was able to get this free. Samsung was having an S22 Ultra promotion. By purchasing the phone, I was able to get a couple of other accessories along with the tablet. I do also have an SD card, a 32GB SD card here, which will be able to add on to the tablet. I know a lot of Samsung's newer products don't have the SD slot anymore, so it's really good that with the Galaxy tablet, I'm able to get it with this here as well. On top of that as well, I do have this case. A really neat feature about this case is it does protect it, as well as it's got a screen protector at front, so it saves you from having to buy a case as well as a screen protector. So it's 2 in 1. So we'll open that up in a bit, but for now, let's have a look at this. I've already ripped the back, the stickers, but as you can see, it comes in this really neat mesh cloth covering, and this one is the tablet. We'll move that to the side for now, and have a look as to what's in the box. So, standard, you've always got your instruction manual, the quick start guide, as well as your warranty card for the device. As I can see in here, we do have that SIM pin, card call. Well, actually, a lot of your providers give you a SIM with just data only. So wherever you go, if you don't have any internet connection, you can turn on your data and use your tablet anywhere to get internet. On top of that, we do have the travel adapter. It is a USB-A, so as you can see that, and that USB-A connects to a USB-C. So that one's the one that goes into the tablet. So there's not really much in the box itself. Just got those, nothing underneath. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. If you are interested in getting the A8, these do go for around about $529, depending on which stores you go to. But lucky for me, I was able to get it free for the promotion. Alright, so let's move the box to the side. Here we are, the Samsung Tablet A8. This is the tablet itself. You've got 2 speakers on the top over there. We have the SIM slot, the SD card slot over there. So those do 2 at once. We have another 2 speakers at the bottom. We've got the USB-C charging port over here, and just the standard microphone, volume, and power button. Alright, so that is that. We also have a camera just on top of there. I don't know the specifics of the qualifications of the Tablet A8, but I can find out in a bit. So a couple of facts of the Tablet A8. It was released around December 2021, so it's relatively new. It does have a 10.5-inch screen, so that allows that's really good for students who want to do their studies, whether it's just watching Netflix, any streaming services, or just generally having a look and browsing on the internet. It also comes with 2 cameras, one at the front, the selfie camera, and one at the back, which is the main camera. So the main camera is 8 megapixels, and that allows you to record at 1080p, 30 frames per second. The front allows you to do the same recording, however it does have only 5 megapixels camera. The tablet in general is very light. It comes in at around about 500 grams, so if you are traveling light, this is a tablet to bring with you as well. Alright. So, in that instance, I will now show you what it's like turning on the Samsung. As you can see, as we turn it on, we've got the Samsung Galaxy, and it's an Android. If you don't know that already, it's the start screen. So, as you do with any device, you just start it. We have just some tick boxes for legal reasons. Let's go next, and you can set up your network, but we can do that later. And what's really good about the Samsung is if you do have a previous Samsung tablet or a Samsung device, you can actually transfer all your data very effectively as well as efficiently using Samsung Switch. Now what that does is you add a cord to one of your Samsung devices, your old one, as well as the new Samsung device, and that allows it to effectively transfer the data. Because it's through cord as opposed to Wi-Fi, it gets done more fast. It also, if you are not an Android user, so if you do use Apple, Samsung Switch allows you to do that as well, which is a very neat feature. What I've actually got is, we'll just set the time, just go to next. I can always change this in the settings. Switch to the bottom, accept, it's just Google, and you've got your security feature here as well. It's actually really good. You can do face recognition, you've got a pattern with the 9 dots, and you can make a pattern with that. You've got a pin, or if you can remember your other passwords, you can add a new one to that as well. So you got passwords there. As it's loading, I should let you know, if you are planning to get the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8, you've got 3 different internal storage. It starts off at 32 gigabytes, moves to 64, and then 128 gigabytes is the maximum amount of internal storage you can get. If you're not getting enough storage, you can actually add a SD card to that as well. So Samsung's really good with it. Just add it into your tablet, and you've got more external storage. Alright. So this is just Google stuff. Adding a Samsung account, set that up later. And you're all set up. This is how the tablet looks. You've got your gallery, all your just your common apps and widgets that you'd use, general swiping. You've got that big Google search bar up over here, so that makes that accessible for you to search anything very quickly. So you don't have to open up any web browser. You can do that through the home screen. If you swipe down, you've got all your functionalities from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, you've got your sound, your rotations, and airplane mode. And just below that, you've also got your notifications tab. Overall, the Samsung tablet, the Galaxy A8 isn't Samsung's top tier tablets. However, it is recommended to be used for people who are generally studying, or if you do have an Android TV or a smart TV, you can actually connect your device onto the screen and do some mirroring over there. Right, so that's the tablet over there. I'm going to add the case down to the tablet. I bought this online. I don't remember how much, but if you search up any Galaxy Tab A8 case, you're bound to find plenty over there. So, alright, this is kind of like an OtterBox. So, let's see how this works. Got a neat stand as well. That is the screen protector that comes off with it. Looks a bit dirty, but you can actually remove that sticker there. Yeah, that's your defense case. It allows you to stand the case up on an angle, so that's good if you're using your tablet on the table and as a separate screen. Actually angle that there for you. Alright. So it's only 2 pieces. It has a very nice rubber feel to it, so you've got that extra grip when you're holding the tablet. Let's see how we can add this. Alright, so once it's out of the case, you actually have to remove this rubber. What we're going to do now is we're going to grab the SIM pin and push it into the bottom right of the tablet, if it's facing towards you, bottom right, or if you're looking at it, bottom left. So what is, it comes out over here. So this is your SIM, and this is usually, so your SIM's over here and your SD card, but you're over there. So it's a double. Right? Because we don't have a SIM, we've only got an SD card. That is true. I will actually... I'm going to open this up. So this is the micro SD over here. We'll open that up. And we got the micro SIM adapter. Alright, so that fits very snug over there. And the SIM for your data would just be over there as well. Alright, so now what we do is we push that back in. I've only got 32 gigs of SD, but you can put as much as you want. Alright, and now that's all in there. Time to put the case in. So it actually comes in 3 parts. You've got the rubber grip, you've got the back, and you've got the screen protector at the front there. For now, with if you're including the stand. Alright. Add the case in, you just want to slide it into its position. Make sure you've got the camera on the right angle, as you can see there. And that's step 1. Step 2 is adding the rubber component back to it. This is step 2, adding the rubber. Make sure also at the back. That's it. Alright, now that the rubber's on, we do have the last part of it, which is the screen protector. Now, as you can see, we have a bit of a hole there, and that will be where the camera is. So line that up with the camera. What you can do is you can actually take off this protective peeling. And this is your screen protector right there. Line that up. Guys, we unboxed our Galaxy Tablet A8. We've added the micro SD into the tablet, as well as adding on the protective case. I hope you guys learned something from today's video. This is Ahayas's channel, and thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate the support all the time, and we'll see you in the next video.